Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Mobile Legends Bang Bang game. For that you need to go and open your app. Now you need to switch your account. For that you'll need to tap on your profile avatar on your top left corner, and you need to go on account tab on the left menu and then tap switch account, and you will see this interface. Tap on this, you'll see this interface, and then you'll have to select your platform your account was and then you'll have to select the platform your account was bound to: Moonton account, Google Play Games, Facebook, Apple ID or VK, and many more, and simply choose your platforms. And after that you will be logged in, and after that you'll be logged into your enter your email address, and they will send you verification link, and tap on and then tap on login button, and that is how you can recover your Mobile Legends Bang Bang account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.